I've had a couple people come into my life and attach themselves to me. Their only mission was to break me. But one thing they left out of the equation is that they did not make me. His word tells me that he knew me before he placed me into my mother's womb. I am the unbreakable spirit of Christ. I take over any atmosphere that I step into like a typhoon. Tick, tick, boom. I serve a resurrected God that likes to take the enemy to school. See, I'm a frontline soldier for the kingdom, and I'm going to take him out his misery soon. The devil is a shyster, but what's slick to a can of oil, especially when you've been resurrected by the blood of Jesus Christ and you ain't working for the devil no more. I already know your tricks and your antics. Today is a different day, and just like yesterday, you won't get away because prayed up, I stay on my knees in my Father's face, knowing that for me, he will surely make a way. And just because he showers me in his favor, love, and grace, it doesn't mean that I'm a perfect person. It just means that his love is perfect enough to bless me with a perfect purpose. Perfect purpose. For his glory, it was worth it, the sacrifice that he made. And let me be the first to say that it wasn't made for you to continue in your ways, not his will, be done. So don't go getting beside yourself and miss him when his kingdom come. But hey, I'm just the messenger, and the message is very clear. You better act like you know God is coming back and get yourselves together, because from where he's sitting, it's a lot of us slipping because some of y'all don't know how to act. And you can forget about trying to convince him that I've been a faithful member at my church, because it's your heart condition that hurts him. Nailing him to the cross every time you take his word, stand before his people and pervert him with your impure thoughts and your mere mortal ways. You are the ones that said you serve a resurrected God, yet you carry yourselves like slaves. But I'm just the messenger, and the message is very clear. You better get yourselves together and act like you know God is coming back, because from where he's sitting, it's a lot of us slipping, because some of us don't know how to act.